Chapter 3 Working of a Computer. Topics covered: IPO cycle, use of computers in different fields, computers and our health. IPO cycle. Before learning IPO cycle, we should know about data and information. Data, it is a collection of raw facts and figures, but sometimes it does not give a proper meaning, like Priya name, Kumari. Whereas information is an arranged form of data which gives a sensible meaning, like name, Priya Kumari. Let us now understand the working of a computer with the help of IPO cycle. We use a keyboard or a mouse to give input to a computer. The CPU processes the input, the monitor shows the output. Input. We provide input to the computer by typing alphabets or numbers and by recording sounds or images. This is done with the help of devices such as keyboard, mouse, microphone, etc., commonly known as input devices. Process. Once input is given, the working of CPU begins. Each device has to be connected to the CPU in order to send or receive information. The CPU works on the data and does all the thinking and calculations. Output. After the data has been processed, output may be printouts from the printer, sounds in the speakers or images on the monitor, etc. And finally we can store the output obtained in various storage devices. The three-way process of input, process, output makes a computer function well and gives us desired results. Let us understand the working of a computer with an example. The data and instructions together are the input. Here 2 and 5 are the data and is the instruction. Input 2, 5 plus. Now, the CPU will work on the data according to the instructions. I.E. It will add the numbers 2 and 5. Process 2 plus 5.
7
is the correct result or output of the sum. 2 plus 5 equals
7.
Output
7.
Use of computers in different fields. Modern age is the age of computers. Nowadays, computers are used in almost every field of our lives. Let us find out the application of computers at various places. In schools, computers are used in schools to maintain records of students, generate students' report cards, teach students by making them watch informative videos, type important notices and circulars. In hospitals, computers are used in hospitals to keep the records of patients, monitor the health conditions of seriously ill patients, perform surgeries and operations. In offices, computers are used in offices to keep records of clients, type letters and other important documents, sending messages through email, electronic mail. In banks, computers are used in banks to keep the records of the money people withdraw or deposit in their accounts, withdraw money
from ATMs.
At railway stations and airports, computers are used at railway stations and airports to book tickets, give information about the arrival and departure time of the trains and aeroplanes. At homes, computers are used at homes to watch movies and listen songs, search information on any topic on internet, play games, do homework. In space research, computers are used in space research to find information on space, launch and control satellites and rockets, receive and analyze data sent from satellites. In designing, computers are used to design almost everything, to design clothes, cars, machines, buildings, etc., to design and print books, newspapers, magazines, etc., to make cartoons and animated movies. Cyber tidbits. Nowadays, with the help of computers, we can purchase items online. This is known as online shopping. Without going to the markets, we can order items at our homes. Computers and our health. Now, we know that how computers are helpful to us. But it is not safe to use a computer continuously for long hours. We should use the computer only for a short period of time in a day.